Here we have one of the coolest sorting systems that I have ever seen. It takes up to 7 different types of hardware. It goes up these belts here and into hoppers up there at the top. Everything is printed. We have these containers are printed. Everything here is printed. And even the little buckets on the belts are 3D printed. They use Pinda probes right there and MK3S control boards, the Rambos, for the sorting process. The system is able to count here. And if it is over, it goes back down into the hopper there. If the count is correct, it falls down into a sorting system. From there, you have bag on roller. It comes down to here, where this tube, which is an inkjet printer, actually prints on what it is with a QR code. And then a sorting arm goes through and sorts everything to the appropriate container. This is rapid prototyping for manufacturing at its finest. We can see Mark III heaters used for the system to actually heat seal the bags. And it looks like they have filament to make sure the bags stay open. And potentially neck extruder dry gears for the moving of the filament. This is absolutely brilliant. And if we look up through those mirrors, you can actually see the parts rotating inside. Also, hi. And that enables everything to not get stuck, move appropriately throughout the system. This is likely a final prototype, but it's actually built so well that it is in full-on production. We can see thousands of pieces of hardware over here as well, all done on this machine. There's your inkjet printer, the vat of ink. I just absolutely love this. It's so mechanical, and it's done with parts that are in-house. It's just super, super cool. Here we can see the bins. If the count isn't right, they get dropped back down so that someone can take it off using the dovetails and pop it back into the bins to once again go through the whole system. Let's check out the first prototype. Here is prototype number 1, designed for one set of bolts or screws. It goes up a belt that is actually printed in TPU. And there it goes into a similar sorting system. That will make sure everything aligns right. Utilizing a Rambo board once again into a funnel. And look, we even have a Mark III screen. And then, simply, down once again. This is prototyping at its finest. Being able to take an idea, try it, and then be able to turn it into something that runs in a production atmosphere. They took the mistakes and learning lessons made with this for the big one. What do you guys think in those comments? Because this is real prototyping right here. And then you see it in a manufacturing environment. This is a company that is dedicated to doing everything via open source. From a business perspective, it's not cheap, because you need your own in-house prototypers, but when you can control every aspect along the way, it's a really cool system. Psst, psst, psst. Hello. We have interest. We have 3 massive carrots, so it's fine. Uh-oh. We got one. All right. Oh.
Hold on. Got a double fist of carrots.
So gentle.
A little squeaky sounds.
Is there any more?
Yeah, a couple.
Look at how fluffy they are.
It's yours.
Hello. Man. So yummy. Such carrot. Hello.
Like that.
No.
Okay.
Shane, you want to feed him? You sure? Okay. Okay. That's fair.
No, that one up here.
No, I got one left. I'm gonna get to the black one.
I'll just start this one. Over here.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. No. No. No.
The one right
No.
up here.
No. No.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Yep.
I'm sorry. I have no carrots. I have none. I'm sorry.
Yep.